A scout is to be trusted.
A scout is to be trusted.
A scout is loyal.
A scout is loyal.
A scout is friendly and considerate.
A scout is friendly and considerate.
A scout belongs to the worldwide family of scouts.
Scout belongs to the worldwide family of scouts.
Scouts belong to the worldwide family of scouts.
A scout has courage in all difficulties.
A scout has courage in all difficulties.
A scout makes good use of time and is careful possession of property.
Scout makes good use of time and makes good use of possession and property.
A scout has self-respect and respect for others.
A scout has self-respect and respect for others.
Right. You have already been invested as a member of the Scout movement when you were a leader and a Cub Scout. But I'd like you to make your Scout promise. Can you make the Scout sign? Would you put your other hand on the flag, please? And could we all make the Scout sign? Can you say your promise? On my honour,
I promise to do my duty to do my best, to do my duty to God and to the Queen and to other people and to keep the Scout rule.
I invest you as a Scout of the Second Wall. You don't have to have that wobble anymore. You can have one of ours, yes?
Yeah.
Don't lose it.
Yeah.
Because if you lose it, you have to stop your pocket moving. Right, shake hands. Look.